Good morning to everyone. Today we have a very busy agenda on our council meeting. First, we will be informed about the current state of interoperability implementation. Then we will discuss about migration and other migration problem in the European Union. Today we will be focusing on screening regulation. We will discuss about the challenges on that regulation, especially on that field, because this is a very important tool, and I think that we have to discuss about to more effective and more efficient control our external borders. After that, we will also discuss about Afghanistan. We will give follow-up our common statement of interior ministers from the last council meeting, and of course we will be informed from the counter-terrorist coordinator on the current action plan on Afghanistan. And the last very important topic on our agenda will also be our, let's say, priority during our presidency, and this is the investigation of child sexual abuse. As you know, we will try to organize a very important conference in November in Slovenia, but today we will focus on a digital dimension on that investigations.